During my 4 years at Joliet Central High School, I have grown tremendously with my writing skill. I have seen a major improvement, and I've also matured as a person. And when I first came to Central as a freshman, I struggled with run-on sentences and super long paragraphs. But now that's all improved because you have to do better in order to get better grades. And my thinking is involved also while going to Central, especially on social constructs that I learned a lot about throughout my years because you meet a lot of different types of people at Central. And yeah, so um, the ones that mainly affect me the most are race and class because race was something that wasn't really ever talked about or not talked about or explained because I used to think race was just well, I used to believe in those stereotypes. I used to think stereotypes were what race was, like what race meant, basically. And and the second social construct being class was important to me because I used to think I was poor, but while essential, you learn that you have it better off than what you think. And I used to think I was poor, but I met friends at Central who showed me that like you truly blessed in life, and I now know that I'm really blessed, and I should be more thankful for the things I have. Soft skills were another subject I had prior knowledge on, but still learn more about them while going to the Central, especially this year because you Miss Monzo, we did a couple assignments on soft skills, and a soft skill that I can really say I've improved in is my work ethic, especially. And I know that it's improved because I've gotten job opportunities, raises, and all types of stuff. Especially, and I've also gotten leeway with teachers because they've seen I'm trying. And work ethic is a good thing to have throughout your whole life. I feel like that's gonna affect me throughout my life. A novel that stuck with me was the narrative of Life of Frederick Douglass, and this stuck with me because it's a really tough story to get your head around because you see how he was treated, and something that really stuck out to me was how he wasn't allowed to get an education. But now today we have an opportunity to get free education, and I seen that I was taking that for granted. Uh, yeah, and this is another thing that made me want to be more thankful for the opportunities that I've been given. Because if I was born maybe 60, 70 years ago, probably education wasn't that widely spread and all that. So, yeah. And it really stuck with me because the slavery thing. After I read this book, I wanted to learn more about slavery in America. So, yeah, this was just another novel that made me think more. Like, really, really take what I have and be thankful for it. And for my future, I want to get an associate's degree in business so I can be a business manager and also run my own business. But I also like to be a business manager because I feel like um, entrepreneurship is something that a lot of people can get into and they can be good at it if they have the right people behind them. And I really want to help people start their own business because I know so many people who want to have their own business and but they're scared and they don't know how to start. Uh, and the college I'm going to be going to is ASU. I'm going to be going there online for free to get my associates. So I'm pretty happy about that and thankful. And overall, my time at Joliet Central was phenomenal. Couldn't I could have done better, but I'm thankful for what I did at Central. I have no regrets that really stick with me because I feel like I've explored a lot at Joliet Central and I've seen a lot of Joliet Central. So I'm very appreciative of the experience I got there.